Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, and I am joined by the beautiful Naya. We are going to the Veloster Dyno Day today up in Auburn, and we are headed there right now. So I'll catch you guys there. It's going to be really exciting. This thing is on bags.
Got a roll cage.
I like those emblems. Kind of cool.
There's my
boys. Yeah.
That's me.
Gang.
Hello.
She loves all the Velosters. So many of them. Some over here too. But there's one over here. Are we gonna put your car on the dyno?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe. Alrighty. Hell yeah, man.
Oh, yours is closer to the ground.
Yeah, it's
smart.
Cool there.
Pretty similar.
You can have it in the trunk. Meet the beater. Yeah.
Woo! From BC?
Yeah, from Amp.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, here, check it out.
How much does this run for?
Oh, we made it. That's one
You
part of
made
my
that?
tripod.
Oh.
And those are 3 GoPro pieces, and then these are little pieces that are meant for building other cameras.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yeah, dude.
That's sick. Cool.
Oh, check
Cool.
this out. Want to use this for a second and try it out?
Sure.
It's dope as fuck. Here. Alright, that all can live in there for a minute.
That's on to 32.
Alright, follow me. Let's do this.
Alrighty.
It works. So the other thing I use it for is vlogging in the car, right? You put on the windshield.
Oh, yeah, you just got it. Yeah.
I still put suspension in, but what is it? C280? Yeah.
So we are gonna go do rollers after Shania hits the dyno. So this is gonna be dope. Alrighty. Let's pull up. Naya's going on the dyno now. She's gonna pull up her car and we're gonna strap that shit in. And then we're gonna go get some rollers.
540? Which pay for?
Ready.
No. Not bad. Running right.
Yep. That thing's sick.
Yep, they're in the seat.
What's in the seat?
I can get them.
Yeah.
I'm figuring it out. Is that maxed out? Oh.
Because my seat's all the way up to the ceiling. Don't even worry about it. I have a short torso.
That's fine.
That's funny. Alrighty. And we are good to go.
Yeah. Have drop pictures already. You up next?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, it's time. We're gonna go get some sick rollers. This is gonna be so awesome. What lens is this? This is a 16 to 50, so we should be pretty wide on this. I think I'm gonna try to find a bigger road, like 4 lanes or something like that. I think he knows a spot, so we'll try to get a bigger road so we can get like a full side shot roller. That'd be really cool.
I wanna chill out for a little bit.
Yeah, afterwards when we come back. Woo!
Yes.
Ooh, that
Hi,
grumbles.
Ben.
It was so confused.
Your car is surprisingly really clean.
I bought this car for $900. I'm giving it
Really?
to it.
$900 for this thing.
Woo!
This is nice.
So we'll go to the, we're gonna go to the Chevron and pull over. Go ahead. We'll set, when we set to the other side, it'll probably be a lot easier too.
Right.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Eddie. Go follow his channel. It's
Pistons and Petrol.
Pistons and Petrol. Go hit him up. I'll have that linked below in the description as well. So yeah, he's awesome. He's got the camera rig for us, and we're doing some rollers right now. Hey guys, big shout out to Eddie. He's awesome. Check him out for sure. And we are heading back to, what's the spot called?
We're on Tork Motorsports.
Tork
Motorsports.
Tork Motorsports, yeah. And then we're gonna hang out there for a little bit. So catch you guys there. Is he gonna go again? Woo! Nice.
Wait, hold on. I need some video.
Fuck.
Hey, the dyno's open.
Stop.
I need some video. Thank you for the
Yo,
pizza.
shout outs
Thank you.
to the homies at Tork's tuned for show. What are you getting, huh?
Oddly enough, not a.
You don't know?
I think I'm gonna do one of these.
You just scored what? A torque pipe?
Yeah.
And a gas or an oil cap. So we're just gonna throw that on. It goes right here.
I'm gonna take it off?
Yep, just pop it.
How?
Turn it.
Turn it.
There you go.
Tight.
See? It's supposed to be. Just want oil spilling out.
I would need a baggie though.
That's fine.
What would I? Oh, can I use your microphone?
Just nice CNC.
Or I guess I could
You
just
have a
use
couple.
one of my old ones.
And that's all there is to it. It's tight. It won't come off.
See? You wanna put my head down?
Nice, it looks good. That looks good actually. What you got? Oh, those are clean paddles, man.
I
Match
can
the
tell your
car.
favorite color is blue, right?
Alrighty, man. Well, have a good one. I'll catch you.
Good seeing you. Good meeting you.
Yo guys, we are back from the Veloster Dyno event. It was amazing. We got a lot of free parts. You saw that. We're actually going to install the torque pipe pretty soon here, so probably in the next couple days. So you guys will see that vlog coming up shortly as well. I have to fix a little more stuff on the Accord, like I'm going to swap my wheel spacer back on, and then I'm going to raise the which side of this car? I think it's driver's side. So this corner right here needs to go up, and these two rears need to go down both sides. So a lot to do left, and you know, we're just gonna keep grinding at it. A lot more content for you guys, and we're gonna actually go back to Tork Motorsports for some some other things. So yeah, you'll get to see that when it comes out. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want to keep updated with everything that we're doing here. And big shout out to Eddie today. That was great. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.